Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to adjust the audio of a video clip on Capcut. So firstly, what you want to do is open the Capcut app, then tap New Project, and just add any video that you like. As you just heard, my video has sound on it. To adjust the volume, press on the clip, then press volume, and you can make it louder or quieter, or mute it by toggling the button to 0. Now, after muting the video, you can add sounds to it by pressing sounds. You can use sounds from Capcut, or you can sign in with TikTok to use TikTok original sounds. You can also add sound effects or record your voice to add a voiceover. So that is how you change the audio settings on your video from Capcut. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave any of your questions in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye!